Hey guys, today's Friday, February the 2nd of 2024, and we're going to look at natural gas pre-US Open. So without any further delay, let's get into it. As you can see, this pitchfork is holding so far. We got this nice little bounce. I'll be showing it to you. So you can see Friday's volume was to the bears. If we go into our simple glance chart, nothing has really changed between the monthly, the weekly. The only thing that looks like something might be cooking for the US session is this MACD. It's about to cross over, signaling maybe in advance that there could be a possible turning point, but we don't know yet until the US opens. Let's go into our midpoint chart real quick. Before we do that, statistical calendar says that, on trading day, Friday, it's bullish, 1.12%. Got the $3 sign. Weekdays are normally weak, which means Fridays, but today. So will it play out? I don't know. We'll see. Look at price action. What I say? What's my motto? Price action is king. In order for us to go bullish, you need to get above 210. That's your midpoint. And you need to stay above the VWAP, which is this yellow line. You have that as an indicator. Put that, or whatever rule you have that tells you it's bullish. You got statistical calendar backing you up. But if it doesn't play out, then just be cautious. Put your stops. So far, it's been holding 203. It's like we're basing here, just kind of consolidating, going sideways. As you can see, 203 new low. And looks like this candle looks like buyers came in. So just got to see what the open is going to show. Possible targets to the upside. Obviously, it's going to be the 216. That's an easy one. And if it's going to push higher, 225 to 231 right here. And for today, it'll be 216, 220, and then 224. Just pretty much 225 here. If it's going to push slower, head fake is $2 and then $1.97. And that's it for today. So we'll see. And then I'll be working on my forecast for next week. But someone asked me a question, which was pretty good. What do you think? Are we going to turn higher? In order, we need to fill this gap. It's not guaranteed or that it has to, but from what I'm looking at, it makes more sense that we trend higher. This is your wave 3, an Elliott wave theory. You could do a trend line or whatever and somehow fill this gap, and then from there maybe fail and do your last leg, maybe in February, maybe in March. I'm not too sure. I got a couple of things I'm looking at, but that's what I'm kind of leaning at. I mean, I can't see it continue pushing lower, but it can. You know why? Because seasonality is showing that it continues to push lower into February. So, but if it does that, it's going to hit my price target too soon. But, that's me. I'm weird like that. So just follow price action. It's either going to go up, fill this gap, and then do the final low in February or March, or maybe retest that high. I don't know, but definitely fill the gap, if anything. Take baby steps. Then make a low somewhere in February, March. Take it one day at a time. Or it's not going to go up now, and it's going to go sideways here and then start grinding lower to do your, February, weakness. And maybe hit 155, 165. There's a possible wave projection of wave 5 of 142. So somewhere around that range of 142, 155, 166, 176. That's kind of like the sweet spot down there where there could be a possible wave, 5 ending in that area around here. And also you have to keep in mind, you want to look at the MACD on the weekly. I want to get it. I want to see it somewhere around here so I can accumulate and ride the wave higher. I'm going to sign out. Hopefully you like this video. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on natural gas.